I'm gonna record my hair on how it looks like all the way down. The heck? That looks like it's white, right? It's really not though, it's the shine. Okay.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying you a bad bitch.
This is how my hair looks. Like I've had it in a little bun. I don't have any products in it. Maybe like some like leave-in conditioner from yesterday. Ooh, it's poofy though. It's poofy. But yeah, I just want to get that like nice like round cut. We gonna see what's gonna happen. Yeah, I just want like a little bit of layers, like everything's so like down, like whenever I do like wash it and like put gel on it, curly and stuff, like it's just so like. And I recently just cut it too because I had it longer and it was like a lot dead. Now it's just like a bowl, like just out here. But yeah, I'm gonna do the haircut and I'm gonna go off of this girl's video. I'm gonna link it down below. But I'm just gonna follow her and see, you know, she does like, she parts her hair on the sides and cuts it, which I'm not gonna do that because I already cut it and it's already even. I'm just gonna put my hair in a ponytail like up here, like after I wet it and brush it, make sure everything's straight, like, you know, and just put like the bun right here and make sure it's all straight and just cut. So as you can see, like when you have your hair up here, your hair in the back stretches more, so you're not gonna cut a lot of your hair in the back. It's mainly gonna be the hair like in the front, so you're mainly gonna be cutting like, you're mainly gonna be showing in the front, and then what she does afterwards, she like does like half her head, maybe like up here like this, and then she does it again and she cuts it. So that's what we're gonna do. Okay, so I did it to one side. Now like I just combed it out, put like mousse and honey curls, and now I'm gonna do the other side, and then I'll see you back with a ponytail up top. I don't know why I said that so weird. Okay, so this is what I got. So I feel like I should take it closer, but like I'm just gonna leave it up. So I'm just gonna comb it again, make sure it's all like good and even. And as you can see, like the hair in the back, like it kind of ends like first around here, and this is just like the front kind of. All right, so I'm just gonna cut a little bit, maybe like, because I don't want like drastic curls, you know what I'm saying? And I'm not using hair scissors, don't come at me. I'm just gonna cut like a little bit. I don't want too big of a curve, like layers, because you know I'm scared and I'm not a professional. So we're gonna cut like right in here. Make sure, okay, where's this hair at? This hair is like at the front. Okay, all right, I'm just gonna cut right here. There we go. I'm gonna cut. All I'm gonna cut. Sorry. I'm gonna go ahead and see how it looks, and then if I feel like I should cut more, I will cut more. Okay, I think that is good. I think it's just like the front mainly. Now we're gonna part it, and we're gonna go like, oh my god, I look crazy. Like that. And then she goes like towards her ears like this. Okay, what was she doing? Okay, she goes like this. I think she goes a little bit more further back. See, like that. I'm gonna put a little bit over the ears. So we're at this point, so I'm literally watching her video right now on my iPad as I'm doing this, so we gonna see. Hey, I need a tripod. She's using another like hairband, but all I got is this little one, so I'm gonna go ahead and use it just to be like more precise with the cut. Oi, she's cutting a lot, baby. Oh my god. All right, We're gonna cut a lot too then. That's so sad. I can't cut hair.
I wish I would have grabbed a little bit more hair, but this part is fine. I'm only going to be cutting off.
Okay, after this part comes the bangs, so we're just gonna cut like that. We're just gonna cut like that. So sad. I feel like I should cut more. Okay, we're gonna cut a little bit more. Just a little bit, little. Okay. Maybe a little bit more up to the band. Okay, there we go. Like maybe 2 inches off. Oof. Scared. Okay, so after that she goes to the bangs. Okay, cute. It's a little bit shorter. So for the bangs, she just like goes in the middle, and then based off the middle, she grabs. Let me see how you do this. So kind of like in a triangular, kind of like that. She goes. I want my bangs. I want a lot of hair for my bangs. Okay. And let me see. She just cuts straight. She just grabs it, combs it out, and then like cuts. So maybe like right here. Right there. I'm gonna cut a little bit more. Maybe like. Okay. That's all I'm gonna cut, honestly. Alright, so my hair is looking really crazy right now because my roots are like dry. Oh, I'm so scared. I think I messed up my hair. Okay, I'm gonna wash it and like style it, and then I'll come back, okay? Because it's kind of like dry and wet at the same time, and it looks really weird right now. So yeah, I will be back. Okay, so it is after my haircut, my self thing that I did on my hair. So what I did is, because I saw this in a YouTube video, another one, this girl that cut it, she used a different method, but after she cut it, she saw that she did not cut it straight or like in the line round shape, and she blow dried it, and that let her see like where to cut like more clear, and that's what I did. And I forgot to record before, but like it was all very uneven. There was some parts up here that was as long as down here, and so basically I just try to round it out and get like the layers like short up top and like, you know, leave my length the same, and I just try to blend it in. I do want to cut a little bit more just so it blends a little bit. Same with my bangs, not my bangs, but like my top hair. Like this side was like the same, like short, and then this one was like really long. I just went ahead and kind of evened it out. But yeah, I think I'm good right now. I just went to Sally's and I bought a hair conditioning, a deep conditioning. So I'm about to wet my hair, rinse out all the product that it has in, and just use the argan oil intensive conditioning treatment. Leave to 10 to 15 minutes. I think after shampooing though. So I'm gonna shampoo my hair, do this, and then I'm gonna style my hair. I usually use this gel, which I really love. It's called the Softy Super Freeze. You've probably seen it. It's literally like $3 and it's huge. And it's not really like, it doesn't make your hair like crunchy and like hard. Like it kind of like smooths it together, and it's really nice. But I am trying this one, which I've seen all over curly YouTube, the Eco Style. I really like it because it has black castor oil and flaxseed oil, and I've never seen that in a gel, so we're about to try this one out. And guess who finally bought a Denman brush? All right, so I'm gonna use that. I'm probably gonna do a whole other video on like just styling with the Denman brush for the first time. That's gonna be pretty fun. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll be back with my results. dream fantasy. Hello again. So this is the end result like a day after. So I did sleep on it, that's why it's a little bit more bigger and frizzier. But I kind of like it. I feel like the curls aren't as defined as they could be, but like they are. I don't know, I just really like it. Like definitely like a day after. I will show like a little Snapchat video that I took yesterday right after doing it, and it was like 80% dry. But I do really like it like this. I didn't think my hair, because I've tried this a bunch of times like before the haircut, like curling my hair, like really defining it like this, and then sleeping on it, and then it was a whole mess when I woke up and it didn't look bright. But I feel like it looks really cool, and I really like it. You can see the layers, you know, they're not 100% perfect, but like it is what I wanted, so it's super cute. I really like it. I just finger coiled like the front part of like my curls. They're a little wet still, but the rest is like dry from yesterday, and I really like it like a day after. Like it has more like style. And I didn't think I would, but yeah, that was this whole journey of me cutting my hair and seeing what would happen. I was really scared at one point because it looked really crazy when it was like wet out of the shower. I'm like, oh gosh. And like one side was shorter than the other, I noticed after I was like editing and stuff. But like it all makes sense because I don't want a middle part. I tried the middle part out and it was actually not my favorite. I feel like the side part is the best when it comes to my hair down being curly and stuff. I only do the middle part when I'm like putting it like in a bun. Like I feel like that's my favorite. Like if I put like this in a bun, I don't like it. But yeah, that's it for this video. Don't forget to give me a like if you like this video. Give me a subscribe button if you're interested in my type of videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.